So hey there YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to place a text behind the object in Photoshop. First of all, select the background, go to select and subject. It will automatically take a selection of this picture right here. So all you have to do, go to the text and Control G to group and add a layer mask and invert it. As you can see, this is, you can move around the text. So this is the easiest way I know how to place a text behind the object in Photoshop. If you know any other way how to place a text behind the object or image in Photoshop, leave a comment and subscribe for more informative videos like this. Thank you.